like to talk about Marvin JS. And hopefully you all know now that Marvin JS is the chemical browser component of ChemAxon. It's a component. So as a product owner of Marvin JS, I think it's most fascinating in this product that you can integrate it in a lot of ways, in a lot of workflows. So just to take a look, actually you could see several examples yesterday on the partner session, how Marvin JS integrated. But today you will see examples how they use it in the education at Nishana's presentation. And also you saw examples for searching, for example, on compliance checker, or designing. You will see the IDBS presentation or Marvin Live presentation today, or visualizing, which can happen if you just want to show one molecule or more in a browser. So when I see how different way you guys integrate Marvin JS, it's also kind of a magical feeling for me. So thank you for me. And today I just would like to show some parts and pieces which makes this integration even easier, or helps you to use Marvin JS in your workflow in quite a unique way. The very first one, that you can add custom button to Marvin JS. And here we're just showing how you can generate a QR code. But you can actually add any kind of JavaScript function to this custom button. For example, if you want to display nice facts about your molecule on the canvas for your student, you can add this custom button. Or if you want to show some help for your programs, you can do it with this custom button as well. So the other magical thing which we just introduced this year is the highlighting. You can see now you can add color patches all over to the atoms or to the bonds or for the selections. So why is that important? What you can do with it? For example, András uses it in Marvin Live, showing who modified the molecule with different colors based on the users' names. But if you want to display a calculation result on a color scheme, for example, the pKa result, you also can color it based on the value. And this feature is quite unique in Marvin JS because we don't even have it in Marvin Applet. And this is just an example of what you can see now, how we implemented it together with the structure checker web service. It's not a tight integration, so it means that you have to add the web service, and it's just in one iframe in the browser. But as you can see, we just added for 3 structure checker functionality. ChemAxon structure checker has more than 40 checkers. And you can also add it to your product, that structure checker functionality. We have a long list of developer examples, and you can find this example there. And also a new feature which we added to make that visualization more easily for you. So from now on, you can generate SVG images with several image generation options directly from Marvin JS. So it means you don't have to call a different web service to do it. It's also, I think, can result to very pretty images. And you can ask me that, okay, you improve the integration, but anything for the chemist? Yes, we try to improve the end-user experience as well. So we added more abbreviated group, Actually, now Marvin Sketch and Marvin JS uses the very same abbreviated group file, which contains more than 600 built-in groups. And also, we improved its rendering. And based on your feedback that there is a need, we extended our polymer notations. And also some beautifying function on the canvas. So if you haven't seen this, or you haven't seen our new fun game called Aurora Challenge, please come to our demo station. And the take-home message that we created a good tool for you guys. And please use it, integrate it, and together we really can do the magic happen. So thank you for your attention.
Actually, I would have one question to you. Can the users apply their own web services with Marvin JS?
Oh yes, thank you for pointing of this. I showed web service integration with Structure Checker web service and JChem web services. But yes, if you have a RESTful web service, in which you can set MRV or get MRV files, it will work together with Marvin JS. So you can use it for custom calculations or any other functions.